Hello, I'm Dr. Deepak Devakar. If a person is not having good sleep, at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep, then it will affect their health and eventually will damage the hair follicles and cause hair loss. 7 to 8 hours of sleep is required in a person who is beyond 20, 21 years. They are younger, they require 8 to 9 hours or 10 hours of sleep also, depending on their health condition. If they are healthy and fit, if they are exercising, they will also require some amount of rest for the body recovery. Now, we have seen in the past few years, there are many engineers who are working, they are working for long hours and they are working at different shifts of work. A night shift will significantly impair their natural circadian rhythm, because of which the hormonal effect will be more pronounced in them, causing a faster progression of baldness. So this night shift, we have seen many of patients whom we see in 2 years, 1 to 2 years of starting work, they see a rapid progression of hair loss and balding will happen. They might not have a genetic tendency of baldness, still they progress into baldness faster. So in such conditions, they might not be able to sleep properly during the daytime, or they have lesser hours of sleep. Some sleep only 6 hours because they don't get a sleep, or they are using their mobile before sleep, which will also disrupt them. So you will have to give proper time for your health and sleep at least 7 to 8 hours. Stop all gadgets at least 2 hours before sleep and do some deep breathing exercises if you are having any issues with stress or anxiety problems. Every day there is work stress, like financial or personal issues which can cause stress. If you need counseling for such conditions, you need to take care of such issues so that in long term your sleep is not affected. There are some medical conditions which also affect sleep. For example, sleep apnea or snoring. This will obstruct oxygen supply to your brain, which will give some amount of health issues, and cardiac issues also are seen with these long-term conditions. Indirectly, because of this kind of sleep issues, the scalp hair also gets affected. There is less oxygen supply to the hair follicles because of the hairs are shed over a period of time faster. This requires a proper lifestyle, proper sleep, some exercise and healthy nutrition, which will avoid this stressful factors on the hair and progression of baldness. Now we are seeing in younger children also, they are using mobile and such gadgets for long hours even at night. Their sleep schedule is disrupted because of the stimulant which is created because of the gadgets, their light and the exciting things which is there in the mobile which they are seeing. They don't get a proper peaceful sleep at night. So in children it is very important to avoid such gadgets at least 2 hours, create a healthy sleep timings at least at 10 o'clock or before if possible. Young children should sleep so that they get a proper sleep at night and good rest.